This video is about baby teething necklaces. If you're not interested in baby teething necklaces, please skip this ad now. The active ingredient in baby teething necklaces that provides pain relief is succinic acid. The highest concentration of succinic acid is found only in Baltic amber, natural Baltic amber. Unfortunately, there are so many myths about baby teething necklaces, and with so much fraudulent amber on the market, many people get ineffective baby teething necklaces or baby teething necklaces made from fake amber. This is a widespread problem that you should avoid. We have been, with our business located in Poland, at the forefront of combating this fraud by providing free information, publishing books, and supplying only certified Baltic amber. You can read in detail about everything we are doing and the amber we sell in a link below this video and at the end of it. We have been supplying natural Baltic amber baby teething necklaces and much more for more than 20 years, and every piece of amber is certified. We are one of the largest exporters of natural Baltic amber beads used to make your own teething necklace, baby teething necklace kits, so you can make yours at a significant savings, and certified baby teething necklaces. You are invited to see all these items in our store, a link to which is also below this video and in the end screen. Be safe, not sorry. Learn as much as you can before you buy. Click on those links. Thank you for watching and have a good day.